Welcome back to our channel. In this video you are gonna watch a colorful craft. Let's start. First we need to take an A4 sheet, ruler, glue gun or any types of glue, scissor, pencil, glue stick for glue gun and some color papers. Now we will fold this paper to cut into equal parts. We will use half of the paper here. Fold from the edge and start rolling. Roll it till the end. Stick the end with the help of glue. Cut small piece from both the sides. Take a color paper, measure 3 inch and cut it. Same procedure will continue with all other papers. Cut the color papers straight thin line. It should not cut till end. When we will arrange, it will look like a dahlia flower petal. Cut it into 2 pieces. Now it's time to prepare paper flowers. Now one by one stick this all paper petals to the stick which we made from white paper. Arrange one by one like a lavender. It's looking very beautiful and colorful. You can stick more or less layer of petals. Above the flower in center you can use any bead or pearl. Here I made 4 varieties of paper flowers. You can keep on table in flower vase for decoration.